Hello, my name is Angie Wilson with Savoy Associates, Medicare by Savoy, and I'm here with Dawn Begley. She's the Senior Account Executive with CBIZ, and she puts a lot of her business through our Medicare division and our group division. Dawn, what's been your experience with Savoy?
They've been excellent, very responsive, always able to answer my questions whenever I need help.
Yes, we always want to be very present for our broker partners, and we try to respond right away. But what's your experience with the convention this year?
With the convention, it's been a little overwhelming at times because there's so many people here, but it's a great way to meet all the different carrier partners that you talk to on the phone but don't really see, and as well as getting all the CE credits. And I like that Savoy is sponsoring all the CE classes, so it's a big help for me.
Nice. Which CE classes did you attend yesterday?
I attended the Medicare class yesterday. I'm attending another class this afternoon, and I think there's one again tomorrow morning.
Great. You love Savoy, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Well, we love you back. We love our broker partners, and we appreciate them joining us today at the NABIP convention.